Okie dokie, so by now you guys should have created all the layers that you want and assigned a color to them. Hopefully you guys can see that all of my layers have a different color assigned, alright? And then I filled out my table and every layer is different. You don't want any layer to have the same color. So if you do, you need to go back and change that now. Okay, so I filled out the layer properties part of my table, which is excellent. So I'm going to pop back to CAD. And I'm just going to make sure that I've got my properties inspector open here. Okay. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to put things into layers. Okay, so there are two ways that you can do this. I'm going to zoom into my floor plan here so it's a bit easier to see. So the first way is that I could start drawing. Okay, so I'm going to do a polygon. Okay, so I've drawn my polygon, and if I want to change the layer, I can click on the item, come to my properties inspector over here, and where it says layer, okay, I can click and I could choose glazing. Okay, and if I hit escape, you guys can see that the shape is now in its layer. If I click on it again, we can make sure that layer is in glazing, and color should always, always, always be by layer. Okay, so that is the first way that you can draw something. The second way you can do it is if you already know which layer it needs to be in. If you come to your properties inspector before you start drawing, where it says layer, click here and choose a layer. So maybe I'm drawing some furniture that is fixed. Okay, furniture fixed, color by layer. And then I'm going to just go into my line tool, and you can see that I can start drawing. Okay, and there you have it. Okay, so that is how you put things in layers. So by this stage, you know how to create new layers and assign colors to them. You fill in your layer properties and plot style information table, and you know how to draw and put things that you have drawn into layers. Okay, so this is the first part. So from this point on, everything that you draw needs to be in a layer. Okay, the corresponding layer to what you're drawing. Alrighty, thanks.